How to overlay a video in Capcut PC. To overlay a video in Capcut PC, you need to have your background video and your overlay video. Import your background video and your overlay video into your Capcut PC. Once you have that done, drag your background video onto your timeline. Now drag your overlay video on top of your background video on the timeline. Trim them so they are both in sync. Now that your overlay video is selected, go to the top far right corner of your Capcut PC screen where you have video. Under video, look for remove BG. Under remove BG, go and tick the chroma key box. Under chroma key, double click on the color picker. Take the color picker to the green color in your overlay video. And as you can see, the background video is showing, but we still have some green spills on the overlay video. To remove those green spills, let's use the intensity slider. Increase it. They are gone now. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorial videos like this.